What's up, guys? This is a quick hands-on with the S9 and the S9 Plus. Both great, gorgeous phones. Took a look at them at Target yesterday. Only a quick look. A bunch of people were waiting to look at them. But I thought they were great. The screen seemed really vibrant, nicer than my S8 that I had on hand. The cameras, for the quick little stuff that I was able to do with them, I thought they shot really good. And some of the reviews I've seen, they haven't made them look as good. But I thought they were really good. 4K 60 frames per second looked great. Slow motion was fun. Here's the variable aperture. You can see it opening and closing. You can do that in pro mode, or it does it automatically when it gets under a certain amount of light. For low light, it opens up to 1.5. And then here you go. This is the AR emojis, or whatever they're calling it. I'm not a big fan of it. I played with it quick. I took a thing. It wasn't an exact representation of me, but this could be cool. The mouth tracking was a little off, but it's a feature. Hey, and they're implementing some new features. Obviously, it's complete little jack off of the AR emojis for Animojis for iPhone 10 that they put out. But hey, whatever. To each their own. Maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't. It's similar to like a Bitmoji. But it's a cool little idea. Overall, it's not as rounded. I thought it was really nice. Felt good in the hand. I ordered the Coral Blue. Keep a lookout. Peace.